And I think when we look at data, we begin to unearth some of the interesting outcomes, in that what we are seeing is that perhaps some of our interns are exposed to research, development, and innovation projects while on the program that are aligned directly to the National System of Innovation. And what is quite interesting is that in this particular space, most of the interns that are placed within that space, they tend to prefer to further their studies, perhaps by virtue of the fact that they had been working on projects, right? And in most cases, some of these interns come into the internship with a bachelor degree, for instance, and they end up at the tail end going up the ladder to getting a PhD, contributing again directly to the some of the key areas for the country in terms of achieving the PhD track numbers, right? And to those that are absorbed in the sector itself, what we are beginning to observe is that most of them are even now playing a role of becoming a mentor for newer interns. And so that to us is helping shape that entire space.